In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files between accounts in Google Drive. This is handy if you're switching accounts or need to share files efficiently. We'll be exploring a couple of methods, each suited to different needs. First up, let's discuss making a copy of your files. This is a straightforward approach suitable for individual files or smaller groups. The downside? It doesn't work for folders, so keep that in mind. To start, open up Google Drive. Navigate to the file you'd like to transfer. A simple right-click on the file will reveal a menu where you'll want to select Make a Copy. You'll see a new copy pop up directly in your My Drive folder. Now, it's time to share this new copy with your other account. Find the Share option and grant your other account editor access. Once you've shared the file, take an extra step to transfer ownership to the new account. We'll delve into how exactly you'll do that in just a moment when we talk about transferring ownership. Method 2, transferring ownership of individual files, is a faster alternative to making copies, especially when you're working with a single file. Begin by sharing the file with your new account. Ensure you provide them editor access first. With that set, right-click on your file once more and enter the sharing settings. You'll then want to change the new account's permission from editor to owner. Simply find the Transfer Ownership option to click on to send that invitation. It's important for the new owner to check their email for this invitation. Only by accepting it will they complete the transfer process. Once accepted, the file conveniently moves to their My Drive folder without you having to do any additional uploading or downloading. Both methods come with their specific uses, but knowing when and how to utilize them will save you time and possibly some frustration down the road. While making a copy works well for a few files here and there, transferring ownership is the way to go for extensive or singular file transfers, mostly due to its efficiency. No matter which method you choose, Google makes it simple to take control of your digital organization. That wraps up our guide on transferring files in Google Drive. Hopefully, these instructions have provided you a clear roadmap to move your files seamlessly between accounts. Thanks so much for watching, and whether you're new to file transfers or just need a refresher, I hope you found this video both informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Happy sharing!